Hey guys and gals, welcome back to another episode of Gearheadgirl Garage. So, there are many different ways you can jack up or suspend your bike. Ideally, when working on your bike for whatever maintenance you're doing, you're probably going to want an actual rear stand and a front stand. A rear stand probably more so than the front stand, doing stuff like chain lube and maintenance, things like that. However, in a pinch, if you don't have an actual front or rear stand, you can use jack stands and ratchet straps. So again, this is not the ideal method, but if you need to jack up the rear of your bike, you can take the jack stand and stick it under the foot peg. Or additionally, if you need to do something like, say change your forks, you guys can check the link for the video above if you're interested in doing that. But what we did to change the forks on this was we actually suspended it, and I'll show you guys that in a second as well. Again, this is not the preferred method, but you can use jack stand and bring it up under the foot pegs, and you can just use a regular jack. You want to be real careful with where you do jack it up because you don't want to break the fairings or damage the exhaust or anything like that. But that is one option for getting the rear up. If you need to say do your forks or mess around with the triple tree, what you can do is there's a hole right here. It's a bit hard to see. Get some light on it there for you. So what we did is we ran a ratchet strap straight through this hole and was able to suspend the bike from the rafters. So there you go. All right, so if you don't have a front or a rear stand, don't worry. As long as you've got Axel stands and ratchet straps, you should be all right. All right, hit like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See you.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.